Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your X app. So all you have to do to fix it, so just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step. So just waiting to open with your list and you go down here. So then you click here on apps. So then it's going to take you here to apps list. Then all you have to do now, so just go down here and here you go to looking for your app. So just keep going down here. So then when you found it, so just click on it here like this. Then it's going to take you here to next step. Then all you have, so then it's going to take you here in this list and you just click here on force stop. So and you click here on OK and you go down, you click here on storage. Then it's going to take you to storage list. Then you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so just restart your phone. Then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.